Rusty Rick here. Hello everybody. So in this video what I'm going to be doing is I got the 58 Plymouth upper A-arm and we're going to be pressing these bushings out. This is what we're going to do. I got a 12.5 ton press here. That's from Harbor Freight. I'll readjust the camera here so you guys can watch me take these out real quick, and so I'll get the camera moved and we can get started on that. Okay, so this is the press. Here's the A-arm. Basically what I'm going to do is I got a bolt and a washer here. I'm going to just drop it down in this bushing and then set this guy up here. I got a pushing bar. Just basically get it as straight as possible. Get her a little closer here. Alright, let's see what happens. There we go. And it's dragging down nice and easy, and it's pushing it right through. Let's go down until it stops, and then let it back up. And basically flip it around, do the other side the same way. Down a little bit too far. Alrighty. It slid on me. I think it'd be better if I do it from the other side. I'll move the camera on the other side here, so if I switch sides here, you probably won't see me. Okay. press it down nice and easy like that. And when the washer bottom's out there, let's stop. That guy off. And then they're basically just right to the end right there. I just grab any kind of hammer and give them a couple smacks. And they pop right off like that. So those guys are out of there. Now all I gotta do is get these all cleaned up and get them all painted up. And then I can put the new ones back in where they go. And then put the ball joint in and be ready to put back on the car. So that'll be it for this video. I know it's short, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do that. I already got the other one already done, so that way it's all good. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.